Hey everyone, this is just a little how-to video for those of you that need some help with getting a screencast going and how to record it and put it through. It's going to be a couple of videos because I can't do a screencast unless I use two different programs. So I'm going to do how to get both programs loaded up. There's two programs you can use: Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic. The Screencastify has a 5-minute limit on the video unless you upgrade for $50, then it'll be unlimited. Or you can use Screencast-O-Matic, which has a 15-minute limit. So both of them are pretty easy to use. I'm going to show you how to get both of them put on as an extension to your Chrome browser. And that's the key. You have to be on your Chrome browser. You can't go through Safari or Firefox or one of those. So you'll need to make sure you open up using the Chrome browser, which is the little four colored circles here. So that's key that you're using that. Some of you may have on your taskbar with your bookmarks here a little tab that says apps. That's an easy way to get to it. If not, you can do just a Google search and type in Chrome Web Store. And then you will need to open the Chrome Web Store. This is what it'll look like. There's all kinds of extensions you can add on, but the main one is that we're worried about right now is Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic. Just type it in over here, and you'll see both of them are right here. And basically all you do is click on it, and it will add them to your extensions for your Chrome browser. Your extensions, once they've done it, they're going to ask you for some permissions. Those permissions are basically to allow these videos to download to your Google Drive, so you can go ahead and grant them permission to that. And Mike also told us that's just fine that we do that. So go ahead and put these extensions. They will show up here once they have loaded up. The Screencast-O-Matic ends up being a little blue dot with a bigger blue circle around it, and Screencastify ends up being an arrow with a little video camera in it that you can't really see very well. But you will know you have those extensions on there if you went and look right up here on this part of your screen. So once you have that, I will show you a little bit of how to do each one in another video, but this is basically how you get these extensions put onto your computer so that you have access to use them. So go ahead and do this as your first step. Then your next step will be actually making a video. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic on this one, and you'll see there'll be an emblem down in the left-hand corner by my face there. So you can do a couple different ways. You can do just the screen, you can do just your webcam, or you can do both. Right now I'm doing both, so it projects my desktop screen and it projects my face. I can get both of those out of there and just use one or the other as well. So it's a pretty handy program, and it allows you to teach a lesson, put it up somewhere, and they can access it when it's convenient for them as a parent. So hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and I can walk you through it too. Thanks for watching.